Here is a cartoon present in page number 86 of your chapter, and as you can see, here is the Election Commission of India. That means the Election Commissioner of India, and he is giving notice to the different political parties to give the you can say they should maintain electoral discipline is not a cup of tea. That means they should maintain, or they should campaign the election campaign in a systematic way. Do not use different types of dirty tricks during an election campaign. The Election Commission of India has issued a code of conduct which needs to be strictly followed before and during the election commission. During the election, so the Election Commission of India has made a different you can say method. This is known as code of conduct, in which they have to strictly followed before and during the election. Election Commission of India's model code of conduct is a set of guidelines issued by Election Commission of India for conduct of political parties and candidates during election, mainly with respect to speeches, polling days, polling booths, election manifesto, and general conduct. So these are the you can say areas where they have to focus during an election. Its main aim is to ensure that ruling parties at the center and in the states do not misuse their position of advantages to gain an unfair edge. So these are done so that the political parties do not use use their position or money in order to gain as number of votes during an election. It is designed to avoid practice which are deemed corrupt during model mode of conduct. So these are also done so that they can stop corruption during an election campaign. Politicians in India do not take this code of conduct seriously. So in India, politicians, they do not take this code of conduct seriously. They use their dirty tricks so that they can grab as number of votes from the voters. And there are adverse consequences of it too. It may lead to ban on their rallies, promotion, and even cancellation of tickets. So if they will not follow the code of conduct which was organized or established by the Election Commission of India, their rallies, their promotions, and even their cancellation of tickets during an election will be cancelled by the Election Commission of India.